So we got our Smith incline bench here. Have a look at the angle of the bench. A lot of the time people don't quite have it angled as high as we want it. So we can chuck about to here. On this bench, that's about 4. Make sure that you've actually lined up this bench so that when you hop on here, yeah, and that bar comes down to your chest, it's gonna be resting right on the mid to lower chest line. So essentially where your nips are. Keeping those elbows parallel and under the bar the entire time, yeah? We don't want to come down and then get all this rotation through the shoulder joint. Big no-no. So always lock your Smith bar back, adjust your grip so it's nice and tight, and come down, reach forward with the elbows, get it nice and close to the chest, drive up. If you're unsure about the width of where you should have your hands, we just want those forearms parallel as we come down. Often with the Smith bench, you're not actually gonna get the bar to touch your chest. You're probably gonna sit about 1 inch above it. Just pay attention to your pecs, stretch them out, lower, pause in that tension, drive up.